How to make affiliate marketing work for you. Have you ever thought of promoting an affiliate product that you didn't really believe in? This isn't the worst thing you could do, but it sure makes it harder for you to convince others about why they should buy it from you. Increase your chances of earning big by choosing to promote products that are the best fit for you using these tips. When selecting an affiliate marketing program, make sure to consider the needs of your site's audience. You want to select a product that is relevant to your readers, otherwise it will make you appear like a con artist that is just after their money. Focus on your niche market and recommend only products and services that are relevant to them, and they will be more likely to follow links and buy. To find the right affiliate marketing company, look for products that sell well. You should look at the statistics of their websites. How many people who visited the website bought something? Browse through the website yourself and see if it presents the products in a way that makes you want to buy. Use content marketing to sell affiliate products. Most people will not buy a product through an affiliate link without any prior information about the product or what it can do for them. To increase future sales, send potential customers to an authority website where you regularly provide helpful advice related to the niche your affiliate product falls into. Include your affiliate link on the site. When in doubt, just think about what is important or useful to you. Chances are, if you really have a need for a specific product, someone else out there does too. Let your sincerity shine through in your affiliate marketing campaigns, and your customers will buy from you because they trust you and believe in you. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.